Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's episode, we'll explore the basic concept of Python, and I'm going to start with variables of Python. Variables are basically used to store information or values that can be referenced and manipulated in the program. Here I open the Jupyter notebook. In the earlier episode, we had created this folder, Python tutorials, and we created one notebook, that's earlier one, and we want to now create the new file. So we can rename the file as episode 2 for today. Now we are writing our code. Creating variables. Generally, Python has no command for declaring a variable. So whenever we are creating the variable, we just name the variable name and assign the value to it. So here name is a variable and AnuTech is the value assigned to that variable. Similarly, let's create another variable called age and assign value 10 to it. Now we are going to print these variables as printing variables. Print the text we want to display and colon, comma closed, double quote closed, comma, and the variable name, bracket close. We will also do the same for the age. Print is colon, double quote close, comma, and the variable age. Now let's run the file. So run. So here we created two variables, name and age, and then later we printed their values using the print function. But if we want to change the values of the variables, we have to assign new values to the variables. Let's do it. Changing the values of variables. We are using the same name of the variable name, and we give different value to it, that is, let's say Tom here, and we also assigned different value to the age variable. So we can say age equals to 5, and now we are going to print these variables. So print as earlier, the text name is display and the name variable. And we do similar with the age. Comma age. Now we run this command. New values are printed, that is name. In name we get Tom, and in age we get 5. So this is how we can assign different values to the variables in Python. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.